Neither have we been furnished with a list of the committee's questions to guide the invited resource persons. Ha? Eh dumating kayo dito, wala naman kayong mga questions Taon-taon, year in and year out, ilang libong hearings ang ginakandak ng Senado, wala namang nagtatanong. Ano ba ang ipagtatanong ninyo sa amin? Kung sino man ang abogadong nag-draft nitong sulat na ito, dapat patalsikin ni Presidente Aquino dahil duling. Kasi sa ating saligang batas, merong provision tungkol sa inquiries in aid of legislation, kasunod doon ang provision tungkol sa question hour. Kinonfuse niya silang dalawa kasi nga duling I will read to you. The provision of the Constitution. This is Article 6, the Legislative Department, Section 21. The Senate or any of its respective committees may conduct inquiries in aid of legislation in accordance with its duly published rules of procedure. Basta sinunod mo yung rules of procedure, tama na yon, sabi ng saligang batas. The rights of persons appearing in or affected by such inquiries shall be respected. Tapos, ito ngayon, yan ang tungkol sa public hearing natin. Ang kasunod ay Section 22, na tungkol naman sinatawag namin sa Senado na question hour. Ito ngayon ang kino-quote sa akin. Hindi naman ito question hour Dapat, suntukin na lang kaya yung abogadong yun for having low IQ? Kung sino man yon. Nakaka-insulto Section 22. The heads of departments may, upon their own initiative, with the consent of the President, or upon the request of either House, as the rules of each House shall provide, appear before and be heard by such House on any matter pertaining to their departments. Written questions shall be submitted to the President of the Senate or the Speaker of the House of Representatives at least 3 days before their scheduled appearance. Interpellation should not be limited to written questions, but may cover matters related thereto. Kaya pinagpalit niya. Ay, nagsasay siya ng batas sa akin, abogada. Abogado kayang sumulat nito. Ipadisbar ko ito Sunod-sunod kasi ang Section 21 tungkol sa committee hearing. Ang Section 22 tungkol sa question hour. Sinasite niya sa akin ngayon, itong pirmado ng Executive Secretary, ang Section 22 tungkol sa question hour. Kaya natawag kong duling yun Baka may iba pang mental infirmities yun, hindi lang natin alam. Ngayon, meron pa nagpapapel na baka daw walang jurisdiction itong committee na ito. This is a challenge to jurisdiction which is provided for by the Senate rules. Questions of jurisdiction under our rules, as long as there is a quorum, shall be decided by majority vote of the senators who are present. Di dahil